Welcome back to another episode on the MAURO'S film channel. Today we are talking about the king of my complete professional commercial work production, the DJI Ronin RS4, and why I like it so much. I got the DJI RS4 a while ago to test it out, check if this will be entering my production and share my experience with you guys. So let's get straight to my favorite things when shooting for a commercial work with the DJI Ronin RS4. So on my running gun situation, I'm mostly using my Sony a7S III with the Sony Zeiss 55mm f1.8 and the Sony FA 35mm f1.8 with the 24mm f1.8 as my main shooters for the complete day, and yes, then I switch them in between back and forward for my complete production. I don't need more. On top I mounted the Freewell magnetic anti-filter set that gives me that smooth cinematic ride with the complete combo. Easy and simple setup that goes down to be really suitable for my needs. The payload of the RS4 is 3 kilos, so much more space when you are actually switching lenses, removing the anti-filter, or also using in between the lenses without actually having to worry to rebalance. It will handle pretty great. The first thing that really helps me in my production when switching from scene to scene and location to location is the fast automated auto lock function with all the motors locks. And then you can carry it around without any problem to the next shot. And this second generation locking motors are pretty fast and ready to go in just a couple of seconds. Turn off, turn on, and ready to go. Another great feature of the DJI RS4 are the physical switches for the follow mode. So you don't have to mess around with the touchscreen, you have the follow mode straight on your thumb on the right side. Pan follow, pan tilt follow, and FAA mode in just a flick of a second. Something I'm using a lot when shooting outside the complete day is to having the Briefcase handle that also actually additional mounting points for all your accessories. And this is something I'm using all the time. It's great for low angle shoots, and also it gives me the opportunity to adapt the handle rotation on my liking. The other thing is that you can attach the handle from the left and from the right, depending on which side you are actually used to shoot, and also if you are left-handed or right-handed. DJI thought of this, and sometimes I switch it to the left and sometimes I switch to the right, depending on the type of work and scope of filming. So this is a great add-on. And on the lower handle part we have an 1/4 screw mount, and on the top handle part we have an additional 1/4 screw mount where I actually mount my 360 camera to take the complete BTS footage with it. And on the lower part we have an hot shoe mount for additional accessories, just like a monitor. And when I need more juice, the BG70 battery is perfect for a complete day of shoot, and it's easy and simple to replace it, just flipping this locking, removing it, and flipping the big battery. It will give you up to 29 hours of shoot. So if you are a really power hungry shooter, the BG70 will cover you without any problems. When using my DJI RS4, I always have my camera connected with the cable, but sometimes I am just using the camera without the cables and using the battery just inside of my camera. And then I also need the connection so I can use the start and stop recording button without any problem. So I connect it through Bluetooth, and then I have the start and stop and focus confirmation with a glance of button, not having the need for actually pressing the record button on top of my camera. Pretty easy, simple, and ready for my fast run and gun situations. One last really important thing is the fast tuning knob, and can move the camera forward and backward, achieving precise millimeter level balancing. With the DJI Ronin RS4 combo, you will also get the follow focus plate with the follow focus motor, so if you're using manual lenses, you'll get the follow focus with the great gentle knob to control your focus. and also this great DJI Ronin Pro bag. There you go guys, these are my favorite things about the DJI Ronin RS4. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer to all them. And until my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bell icon and notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.